Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Google Photos and signing into the account that holds your library, because language ties to the account and device. Once open, tap your profile icon in the top right corner, then choose Photos Settings or Settings. This first actionable step moves you into the app's controls where language options appear. You need to access the correct settings pane to change language rather than device locale. Make sure you're online so changes can sync. Now you change the actual language. In Settings, find General or App Language. Tap that choice, then pick English. Choose the variant you prefer, like English United States or English United Kingdom. This step switches labels, menus, and prompts inside Photos so you get consistent wording. Once you select English, confirm the change and allow the app a minute to sync. The UI updates immediately in many cases, but sometimes a restart of the app finalizes the switch. Finish by restarting Google Photos and, if needed, your device so every label refreshes. If the app still shows the old language, change your Google account language in Account Settings, since account-level language can override app choices. Make sure to sign out and back in after changing account language. If problems persist, clear the app cache or reinstall Photos to remove stale data. This forces the app to fetch the correct language files.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.